Ever wondered if your spare change could actually make a difference? What if those few cents left over from your daily coffee, or that extra dollar from your grocery run, could be working for you, growing over time? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? We've all heard the phrase, every penny counts, but in today's fast-paced digital world, it's easy for those small amounts to disappear without a trace. But what if there was an app that diligently collected that digital spare change and, instead of letting it vanish, put it to work in the stock market? Imagine a world where investing wasn't just for the wealthy or the financially savvy, but for everyone. This is the promise of micro-investing platforms like Raiz. They've democratized investing, making it accessible to pretty much anyone with a smartphone and a few dollars to spare. Now, while the idea of effortlessly growing your money is certainly appealing, a crucial question always pops up: what's the catch? Specifically, how much does a Raiz account actually cost? Because let's be real, no financial service is truly free. Understanding the fee structure is paramount to knowing if a micro-investing app like Raiz is the right fit for your financial journey. You don't want to get started only to find that the fees are eating away at your potential returns, especially when you're dealing with smaller amounts. So, let's dive deep into the nitty-gritty of Raiz fee structure and uncover exactly what you'll be paying to put your spare change to work. Raiz aims to keep things straightforward, but like many financial products, their fees can depend on your account balance and the type of portfolio you choose. For most of their standard portfolios, including conservative, moderate, moderately aggressive, and emerald, if your account balance is under $20,000, you'll generally be charged a flat monthly maintenance fee of $4.50. This is a recurring fee, regardless of whether you make new deposits or not, as long as your account is active and below that $20,000 threshold. What happens if your account grows and crosses that $20,000 mark? That's where the fee structure changes. Instead of the flat monthly fee, Raiz charges a percentage-based account fee of 0.275% per year. This annual percentage is levied monthly. So, if you had $20,000 in your account, you'd be paying approximately $55 per year, which works out to about $4.58 per month. The beauty of this tiered system is that as your balance grows, the impact of the fees as a percentage of your total investment generally decreases. Now, Raiz offers some specialized portfolios as well. For example, the Raiz Plus portfolio, which allows for more customization, comes with a slightly higher monthly fee of $5.50 for accounts under $25,000. If your Plus portfolio exceeds $25,000, the fee switches to the same 0.275% per annum. The Sapphire portfolio, which includes an allocation to Bitcoin, has a monthly fee of $4.50 and the 0.275% per year, regardless of the account balance. So, it combines both a flat fee and a percentage fee. There's also a property portfolio with similar fees to the Sapphire. Beyond these main account fees, it's important to remember that the underlying exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that make up your Raiz portfolio also have their own management fees. These are charged by the ETF providers themselves, not directly by Raiz, and they typically range from 0.04% to 0.59% per year. These fees are usually deducted from the ETF's unit price, so you won't see them as a separate charge in your Raiz statement, but they do slightly impact your overall returns. One excellent thing to note about Raiz is their transparency regarding deposits and withdrawals. There are no fees for depositing money into your Raiz account, whether it's through roundups, recurring investments, or lump sums. Similarly, you can withdraw your funds at any time without incurring any withdrawal fees or penalties. This flexibility is a significant advantage, allowing you to access your money when you need it without being penalized. So, when you consider how much does a Raiz account cost, it boils down to a few key figures: a monthly flat fee for smaller balances, a percentage-based annual fee for larger balances, and additional fees for specialized portfolios like Sapphire or Plus. And remember to factor in those underlying ETF management fees, even if they're not directly charged by Raiz. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.